Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to install Grok 3 on Windows 11. Installing new software can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with the process. But don't worry, today we're going to walk through the steps to install Grok 3 on your Windows 11 computer. This guide is designed to make the installation process as smooth and straightforward as possible, whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher. So, let's dive right into it and get started. First things first, you need to open up your internet browser. This could be any browser of your choice, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or whichever one you prefer to use on your Windows computer. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar, which is usually located at the top of the page. If Google is not set as your homepage, type Google into the address bar and hit enter. This will bring you to the Google search page, which is where we'll conduct our search for Grok 3. Now that you're on Google, type the word Grok into the search bar and press enter. This action will generate a list of results related to Grok. Your task is to find the official Grok website. It should appear as one of the top results, ensuring you're accessing the most secure and up-to-date version of the software. Click on this link to be taken directly to the Grok homepage. Once you're on the Grok website, you'll notice various features and options. Focus your attention on a small icon that looks like 3 dots in the upper right corner of the page. This icon is typically used to indicate additional options. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, you might see options like Cast, Save, and Share. These are common features, but for our purpose today, we need to continue scrolling past these until you find the option that says Install Grok or something similar. This is the option you need to click to proceed with the installation. By clicking Install Grok, you're starting the download process. A setup file for Grok 3 will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to confirm the download. Make sure to give the necessary permissions if asked. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder. This is where all downloaded files are typically saved unless you've specified a different location. After finding the setup file, double-click on it to start the installation process. A series of prompts will guide you through the installation steps. Each prompt will give you clear instructions on what to do next. Simply follow these instructions, and once you've completed them all, congratulations are in order. Grok 3 is now installed on your Windows 11 computer, ready for you to explore and utilize its features. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to install Grok 3 on Windows 11. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.